2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, rear defrost, trip computer, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.